Here are 15 fitness tips that can help you maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. 1. Make exercise a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity every day. 2. Find an exercise or physical activity that you enjoy. This will help you stick to your routine and make it more enjoyable. 3. Set realistic goals. Start with small goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. 4. Incorporate strength training into your routine. Building muscle can help you burn more calories and improve your overall fitness level. 5. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This can help you avoid fatigue and improve your workout performance. 6. Eat a balanced and nutritious diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 7. Get enough sleep each night. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help your body recover and rejuvenate. 8. Take rest days to allow your body to recover and avoid overtraining. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. 9. Mix up your workouts to keep things interesting and challenge your body in new ways. Try different types of exercise or workout with a friend to keep things fun. 10. Use proper form and technique when exercising to prevent injury and get the most out of your workouts. 11. Wear comfortable and supportive workout clothes and shoes. This can help prevent discomfort and injury during your workouts. 12. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your progress and set new goals. 13. Stay motivated by finding a workout buddy or joining a fitness community. Having support and accountability can help you stay on track. 14. Stretch before and after your workouts to improve flexibility and prevent injury. 15. Be patient and consistent. Results take time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your fitness goals.